doing? I hope you're all doing fabulous. Today we have a Dior here and we are going to do an unboxing. Let's check it out. So this one was given to us, guys, as a present, right? The box looks so nice. It was given by a family, and let's check out what's inside. Look at that, guys. It looks so nice. We receive a Miss Dior perfume as well as Miss Dior moisturizing body milk. Look at that, guys. It has a nice cute ribbon, and this perfume, guys, is 50 ml, and this moisturizing body milk, guys, is 75 ml. It smells so good. That's it, guys, for a quick unboxing. Thank you, Lily, for this beautiful gift. I love them. Thank you so much, and thank you guys for watching. Stay safe, stay well, stay happy. Till next time. Bye.